All right, so today we're going to continue to talk about metric units of measurement. Let's start off with mass. If you recall, 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Our example question here says Mrs. Moore planted a flower garden full of marigolds and petunias. She used 9 kilograms of soil. How many grams of soil is that? So we're going to be multiplying 9 kilograms times 1,000 to figure out how many grams of soil that is. So go ahead and do that. 9 times 1,000 is 9,000. So Mrs. Moore used 9,000 grams of soil. Now let's look at metric units of liquid volume. So if you recall, a liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Mrs. Moore used 5,000 milliliters of water to water the flower garden. How many liters of water is that? That is blank liters of water. So if there are 1,000 milliliters in each liter, and we have 5,000 milliliters, we're going to be dividing 5,000 divided by 1,000. That gives us, 5 liters of water. So she used 5 liters of water to water the flower garden. All right, let's move on to metric units of length. We have centimeters, we have millimeters, decimeters, meters, and you can see the conversion chart here. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay? A stamp in Sam's collection is 3 centimeters wide. How many millimeters wide is the stamp? So we are going to multiply 3 centimeters times 10 millimeters. 3 times 10. Good. That's 30. Yes, so the stamp is 30 millimeters wide. Let's try another one. A worm is 130 millimeters long. How many centimeters long is the worm? So now we're going to be doing the opposite, right? They're giving us millimeters, and we need to figure out centimeters. 130 millimeters divided by 10. 130 divided by 10 is 13. So the worm is 13 centimeters long. Let's try another one. Pete's dog measures 58 centimeters tall. What is the dog's height in meters? Pete's dog is blank meters tall. So he has 58 centimeters. We know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So what are we going to do? So let's think about this. If there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter, 100 divided by 100 is 1. So 58 centimeters is going to be 58 divided by 100. That gives us 58 hundredths meters. Okay, the dog is 58 hundredths meters tall. Let's try another one. A sidewalk is 40 meters long. Each section of the sidewalk is 8 decimeters long. How many sections of sidewalk are there? There are blank sections of sidewalk. So the sidewalk is 40 meters long, and we know, all right, let's try another one. A sidewalk is 40 meters long. Each section of the sidewalk is 8 decimeters long. many sections of sidewalk are there? There are blank sections of sidewalk. All right, so there are 2 steps to this problem. First, we need to figure out how many decimeters long the sidewalk is, and then we need to divide it by the 8 sections. So if 1 meter is 10 decimeters, 1 times 10 is 10, right? So 40 meters times 10 gives us 400 decimeters. We're dividing 400 decimeters by 8 decimeters to give us the number of sections there are of sidewalk. So what's 40 divided by 8? Right, it's 5, so 400 divided by 8 is 50. So there are 50 sections of sidewalk. So there are 50 sections of sidewalk. Each of those sections is 8 decimeters long. Okay, here's another one. How many 50 centimeter pieces of ribbon can you cut from a roll of ribbon 60 meters long? You can cut blank 50 centimeter pieces of ribbon out of 60 meters of ribbon. So first of all, we need to convert meters into centimeters. So how many centimeters is 60 meters? 60 meters equals 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So 1 times 100 is 100. So therefore 60 meters times 100 is 6,000 centimeters. Our question was, how many 50 centimeter pieces of ribbon can you get from 6,000 centimeters? Okay, so I know that 5 times 12 is 60, so 50 times 12 is 600, so we need to multiply by 120. 5 times 12 is 60, plus 1, 2 trailing zeros, that gives us 6,000 centimeters. So they can cut 120 pieces of ribbon. All right. Last one for now. The magazine Barbara is reading is 25 centimeters long. She says it is 25 hundredths decimeters long. Is she correct? Explain. Okay, so we know that 100 centimeters is in 1 meter. 100 divided by 100 is 1 whole. So 25 centimeters divided by 100 is going to give us 25 hundredths meters. You can also write 25 hundredths like this. So Barbara is incorrect because she said it equals 25 hundredths decimeters. She should have said meters. Great job, everyone.